wanna know.
Okay, and ignore my cover up. My robe is in the laundry, so had to do what it do. This is the top. It looks like a crop top. We're gonna try to put this on. This is how it looks on the model. See how it looks on me. Okay, so you were supposed to lace it up in the back. I wanted the bottom to be a little loose, so I chose not to squeeze it all the way. So I decided to go with gold, so I'm gonna do this necklace here and these earrings. I got these earrings and this necklace from Temu. So this is the total cost of this outfit. You guys can purchase this outfit on Exuberanc. And also, you can get some money off. You know I gotta hook you up with a deal every single time. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this outfit. Is this Baddie on a budget? Is it too expensive? Let me know. And make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I'm so excited for the next video. And remember, I love you, but God loves you more.